And apparently it even has a flashlight. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's Alex over here in my office, and today I got another product video. ETENWOLF went ahead and sent me this product, so we're gonna go ahead and box it and test it. So stay tuned, and I will leave affiliate links in the description below. Disclaimer, this thing is good. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so what we got over here is a ETENWOLF tire pump S1, and this thing does a few different things. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick and see what we got to work with. All right, so that's that. We open this thing up. We got a little card with a QR code for the warranty, so make sure you use that, and I will leave an affiliate link in the description below. And also for you to get a discount on this thing. It's super small. I mean, it's not like to take it to the trail, but this is it right here. And we have a flashlight, and over here it says pull, so we're gonna pull that, and we're gonna have a couple of accessories right there. So a Presto valve and a ball inflator needle. So we have the Presto valve adapter and the inflator needle for the balls, soccer balls, footballs, basketballs, whatever. So that's conveniently located right there. And then when we turn it on, press the on button. We have different settings over here on the top. That one's already set up for bicycles, and we can change the mode right here. It's already set up for cars, 32 psi, and then you can just up it to whatever you feel like you need your car to be, and you can change that. There's the flashlight right there. When you press this button right here, it turns on the flashlight, so really convenient. Different modes. And then right here, let's see what this button does right here with the little thing. That changes the different modes that you have. So right now, that's on a car setup. You can change that to bicycle. You can change that to sport balls. And those are the settings. So you can change it between PSI, bar, and kilopascals. So in the US, we usually use PSI. So that's what we're gonna be sticking with. And let's see what else is included in this thing. We have a little travel bag right here. A USB-C charger. And an adapter. So this is pretty handy. The cord wraps around, holds secured, goes right there, and then you can just go ahead and put your adapter right here, or you can put the Presto valve adapter, whatever you want to do. But you can just keep this in here, loop it around for storage, and it'll be completely secured. So I have already done a few tests with this. It came with a full battery, and I was able to, because I have another one. It actually didn't came with the 4 bars. It came with 2 bars, and with 2 bars, I was able to inflate 4 car tires. Of course, they were not flat. They were missing like, I don't know, 5 psi each. A couple of football, soccer balls. Like 4 different bike tires. So this thing is pretty darn good, and it's not too loud. So let's go ahead and see what I got over here. Again, different settings. And you can just leave it running. This is perfect for trips. So once you're done with this, you can just go ahead and put it in the bag. Power off. Put it in the bag. with the charger. Zip it up and keep it on your car. Pretty handy. Comes with the instruction manual. So everything you need to know is right here. And let me show you what I have inflated with these things, and you're gonna be surprised. And it even comes with this little adapter if you wanna have any issues like hooking up to your bike, something like that. Even though you can screw this directly to the Trader valves, but this old school. So let me show you how that works. It's actually very easy. You just take that end and thread this in, and now we're just gonna go ahead and pump up this rear tire, and we're gonna set this. Oh, just found out that over here, right here, it has a couple more accessories. So this is for the Schrader valve, so that's even better. So everything within this thing right here, you're not gonna lose anything at all. So you're not gonna lose anything at all. So that's a big plus for me right there. And everything stays nice and taut. Let's go ahead and pump this up. I'm gonna set it up to 24 PSI. It's a little too much. Long press goes fast. I'm currently at 12.4 PSI, so press the start button. And that's it. And it even has a few different modes. Right now it's in bike mode, and I'm gonna change it to car mode. See what we got. Balls, something else, and I'm gonna be using car, and I'm gonna go to 34 PSI. That's too much. Currently has 31.5. There you go. Doesn't take that long. A little bit loud, but it's doing the work. And apparently this thing even has a flashlight right there, and it has different modes. Regular flashlight, what seems to be like an emergency flashlight, maybe an SOS flashlight. Pretty handy. Okay, like I said, this, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link in the description below with the promo code that you're gonna get a discount on it. Check that link. And again, this is highly recommended, really nice product, ready to go. You can keep it on your car at all times, charge it on your cigarette lighter or your USB adapter, and it should be ready to go. I mean, this is a really heavy duty, really well constructed. It has everything that you need. So I really highly recommend this ETENWOLF tire pump. S1. Again, link in the description below. That's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope that you like this product, because I do. I actually have 2 of them. Boom. I have 2 of them, so I did the test before I actually unboxed it. So these are really good. I'm gonna keep one on each of my cars, and just have it ready for trips. So again, this is really, it gets you out of the weeds. Like whenever you need to, you just plug it in, set the PSI, good to go. Hope that you like this video. Link in the description below. That's gonna wrap it up for today, and I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.